Hey folks, welcome back to the Backyard Railroader. Well, it's not too bad of a day, but we had a big snowstorm, which you probably saw on other channels, and my layout is kind of under snow. I'll show you what's going on. Well, there you go. As you can see, completely buried and iced over. This guy down here, though, he's a fool. Got shorts on. So, yeah, like I said, there's no way I'm going to be doing anything in here. So, let's go back inside where it's warm, and I'll show you what I got. Okay, well, here's the bins. I got these off of Marketplace, and as you can see, they have stuff in them to do with trains. So let's open them up and check it all out. Okay, and in this box I have a train. I believe this is a Playmobil. And it came with a passenger car. And a caboose. It's missing the roof, but I'm sure I can figure something out. It came with a small train station. And then we have a small building. All the pieces are here. Everything's inside. Never been put together. And then finally I have this, which all the pieces are here, everything works, apparently. And we have the bases connect to it, like that. Very nice. Okay, and we've saved the best for last. Look at this. In here, I have a CP train. Thing is like brand new. It's only used indoors, never outdoors. Got a Lifesaver car. It's missing a few railings and things, but seems to be all there so far. Flat car. And old steam train and tender. Track powered. And this Pennsylvania car, that's nice. Chains are broken, but I can fix them, maybe find some new ones. finally, Aristocraft boxcar. This is in mint condition. Hatch is open. Little hatch is open. Little tiny doors here open. And that seems to be it. That's really nice. Oh yeah, that's my latest acquisition off of Marketplace. Tested out this train. This train seems to work. I haven't tried the smoke unit yet. I have not tried this train or the Playmobil. But yeah, this is my haul from the Marketplace. Got a really great deal on it. And so yeah, that's all I got for you today. So remember folks, talk about trains, keep the hobby alive, and stay safe. See you later. Bye-bye.